Hey everybody, Lone Wolf Rick here, and I have sat down at the Lightning Link high stakes game. Haven't played this one in a long time, and can't change that. But I'm doing a nickel denomination, and we'll do $1.25 and spin on nickels and see maybe if it's got something for us today. Here we go. We need 3 of those briefcases to trigger the free games, or 6 coins to trigger the money bonus. Come on now, let's go. There's 1, 2 more. Yep. Come on, 4 more. Yep. Even wasted the wilds. The roulette game. Come on, 1 more. I thought that was it, but it wasn't to be. Money back on that one. We got 4 showgirls. A little bit of a money there. Oh, 2 more. All right, come on now. Get those coins to start dropping more regularly. Come on, 2 more of those. Nope. Come on now. Few 9s there. Oh. Come on now. Showgirls. Come on, 3 more. Nope. Come on, 4 more. Nope. Come on, 2 more. Come on, 2 more. It didn't even think about it. It didn't even think about it. Well, at least those wilds did go to waste, huh? Wow, that was a nice little hit on those. Now the coins and the briefcases have disappeared. Oh, there's a coin. Oh, those wallets went to waste. Oh, there's some cars. Another nice little hit there. Those wallets went to waste. Come on, 1 more. There we go. There we go. Now maybe we can get the bonus in the bonus, which would be really nice. All right, here we go. Come on now. Hey, there we go. The bonus of the bonus. I was like Nostradamus. I called it. All right, come on. 3 coins here, 3 coins here. We win the grand. All right, there's one. There's one. All right, got to fill up 4 more coins. Uh-oh, I saw the major go by. Did y'all see the major? Uh-oh. Come on now, anything, anything, anything. Hey, there we go. All right, 3 coins to go. Hit that $13,000 grand. 2 coins to go. Hit that $13,000 grand. Oh, that one was blank that time. Oh, there's some. Oh, anything now. Come on now. Anything. Anything. Come on. Oh, that was it. Oh, 48.75. All right. Coin show. Coin show. And we still got 5 free games to go. All right. Here we go. Come on now. Oh, nothing. There's some cards. Kind of like, how about another coin, huh? How about dropping the grand coin? Wouldn't that be nice, huh? Oh, look at that. All of those free games went by. I mean, all those wilds went by. They went by again, and that's it. No, that's not it. I thought it was it. Hey, there was a coin. On the last spin, game 6 of 6, we get another coin. All right, come on now. Come on. All right, excellent. Uh-oh. All right, come on, anything now. Anything, anything, anything. All right. Come on, out of space over here. Uh-oh. Come on now, anything now. Come on. All right. I saw the mini go by. The mini's $50. It's like on the nickels, so come on now. Oh, come on now, anything. Anything. Come on, anything. Anything. Nope. Wasn't to be. Almost the same as the last one. Very nice. See it counting up down there, counting up here. All right, that gets us to $160.70. You know what? I'm gonna do. I'm gonna play it to 150. Hopefully, there's something else in there for us, and I'll stop at that point. But I have a feeling we're gonna hit something else. Come on now. Come on, coins. Oh, wasted wilds. Just a few jacks. Come on now. Come on, 2 more. Nope. Didn't even think about it. Yes! Yes! All right, be as nice to me as the last one was, huh? Or maybe nicer. Here we go. A car. Oh, had some jacks. Car went by. Oh, that would have been nice. 5 more games. Come on, coin. Oh, nothing. Nothing. Hey, there's the wild. All right, we got 2 more games to go. Come on, coin. Yes. Sometimes all you have to do is just ask. All right. There's the progressives up there. Let's hit one of those. Anything. You know, even the mini would be nice. Come on. That's 25. That's $1.25 coin, huh? Come on. Big coin now. Oh, nice. Okay. Three for the grand. That one's been blank the last 2 spins, so I'm not liking my chances. Come on now, anything. Yes. 2 for the grand. Oh, I thought that one was going to land. Come on now. That one's reappeared. And that one went dark as soon as this one reappeared. So not as nice as the last time. We got 1 more game in the free game session here. Come on now. And that's it. That is it. So what's that? $30? A $30 hit? Okay, I'll take it. Yeah, $30. I guess it's the 182.20. Hey, you know what? I'll play the 170 now. Let's see if there's one more in there. Come on, coins. Oh. Come on, coins. Oh, they all went by. I saw them go by. Come on. We'll mix and match action there. There's coins dropping. Got a little bit of money on those roulette things. Nothing. 2 roulette wheels. Come on now. Come on now. Couple of roulette wheels again. A few cards there. It's a nice little. It has 75 nickels, so gets it back up to 175. Come on, briefcases of coins. Briefcases and coins. Oh, look at that. That was the mini. The mini's $50, so come on now. Hey, you know what? That's going to do it, because it gets me below $1.70 if I hit another one. All right, everybody. Thank you very much for joining me. I appreciate it. Put $100 to the machine. I'm cashing out $171.20. Profit of $71. Very nice. All right, everybody. Low Wolf Rick, thank you very much. Next time, progressives. Next time. I'll see you all next video. Bye-bye, everybody.